Oh my goodness.
He's trying to his feet.
Wait, it's...
Oh, he went down the branch. Probably just gonna jump on it.
No, he's trying.
He can't get it.
Uh-oh. He's trying to pull it up with his legs.
He can't
You
get
should put
it.
this on YouTube. He's shaking his tail at it.
He's trying.
Oh, he's going down. He goes down the branch.
He's trying.
Wait, is he trying again?
Yes, he's
I can't really see. He's camouflaged with the tree.
No, he's right there.
Yeah.
Oh, he's trying to figure out a way.
Oh my goodness, look at his tail. Oh my!
You've already tried that.
This squirrel is a rebel.
He never gives up.
He's trying to get the food, but he can't.
I think someone should go outside and yell at him.
No, he's not gonna get the food.
Where is he? I can't see him.
He's
anymore.
trying.
Oh, I found it. I found him.
He's hiding underneath the leaf.
He's trying.
He's going back to the food. But he jumps up a branch. Oh, he goes
Down.
I want to see what he does.
He goes down.
Oh, he's done. Oh.
Let's go show him on the video.
Oh, that's awesome. Oh.
No.